So first and foremost is getting this using while loop 3 times side by side. So it's very simple. It's a matter of just looping it 3 times, and because we know exactly how many times to loop it, it gets even easier, right? So we'll just say maybe you use a counter or something, or counter or number like that, right? And we initiate as maybe 3 because we know exactly that we should repeat it 3 times, right? Then we'll just say while num is less than, oh sorry, more than 0, for example. We can do something like this as well. While it is more than 0, we'll just do this. Maybe we'll just print it, right? Num is equal to num minus 1. Right? So with this, what happens is that of course, we want to get rid of the print line here because we want the hello world to be printed side by side. So I'm just going to do something like that, right? And then print hello world again and again. All right, so we'll see how it goes. Basically, we start with 3 while it is more than 0. We'll print this, right? We'll print it once, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, more than 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, more than 0. 1 1 minus 1 is 0, no longer more than 0. So it should be printing 3 times. Let's see how it goes. Wow. Okay. Right, so there we have hello world going side by side, hello world, hello world, hello world, 3 times side by side. So this is a while loop. We can also do something like this. Do, we just put do at the top like that, right? And then while at the bottom here, while num is more than 0, right? So we'll just run it and see if it prints 3 times or 4 times. Oh, okay. Oh, I can't do it like this. Right. So let's see do while loop in Java, yeah? What the syntax is like. So I might have done something wrong there. While so next is while do while on the other hand goes like this. Oh, okay. So for do while, I missed out on the just the semicolon. This is a common mistake. A lot of people actually do that mistake, right? So same thing. So we get 3 times. So that is for the very basic and very simple looping, which is the while side by side. Sorry, the hello world side by side 3 times, right? So next is write hello world according to the integer supplied. For this, we will have to have an input by the user, and I can't say I remember how to do that. So I'm just gonna maybe go here and get that. Okay, right? So I'm just gonna get that utility scanner kind of thing, right? And then ask the user, right? So how many times to repeat, right? So we're asking the user how many times does he want to repeat it, right? According to the integer supplied. I'm just gonna copy that and write that here. Right, how many times to repeat. So the user will then say let's use integer instead of next integer, right? So this is num1, let's use num lah, easy to remember, right? So while num is more than 0, print line hello world, hello world. Right? Yeah.
Which number is
This is 2A.
this? It says 3 day.
Sorry?
It says 3 day.
3A?
3?
2A.
I mean,
There? 2A.
it says 3?
Yeah, it says 3. Yeah, it says 3, question 2A. Alright. Oopsie. Right? And we minus 1 just like that, and that should do it. Right? So basically we ask how many times to repeat, and then integer number, we get the value from the user. The user might say 5, 6, 7, or whichever, right? And while the number is more than 0, we just output this and then get however many times. Get it repeated however many times. So how many times to repeat? Let's say I want to repeat it 4 times. So right, so hello world should be repeated 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a success. So that is using a while loop. Next we are going to use, oopsie,